Hey guys, it's Rolando, your credit coach, with another weekly tip. And this week I'm talking about 3 accounts that we can never ever be removed from your credit report. When it comes to credit repair, we can remove all types of accounts, but there are 3 types of accounts that we are unable to remove. The first one is federal student loans. If you have delinquent federal student loans, no, those will report indefinitely. They're federal. No matter what you do, unless you pay off those accounts, they will not be removed from your credit report. So don't be fooled by anyone that can tell you those accounts can be removed. If they're your accounts, you open them, you owe that money, they will never be removed. The second account is any unpaid child support. If you're not paying your child support, it's on your credit report, reporting delinquent, and it will not be removed. So guys, step up your game, pay that child support, and improve your credit. The third account is any unpaid both state and federal taxes. If you're not paying your taxes, the reporting on your credit report as unpaid, those will never ever be removed. No matter how much time passes, those accounts will remain on your credit report. So pay your taxes. We can't run away from Uncle Sam. We just can't. No matter how fast we run, they're right there, right behind us. Guys, so recap. First account you can't remove is any federal student loans. If you owe them, pay them. Number 2, child support. Step up, pay your child support. That's never going to go away. The third one is any unpaid federal or state taxes. So I hope that was helpful. Guys, please do not be fooled by any other credit repair people. I don't care who they are, how big they are, how smart they are. Those accounts, if they go unpaid, you cannot get them off your credit report. If they're yours, you open them. No matter what happens, no matter how many times you dispute them, those will forever remain on your credit report. So step up your game, improve your credit scores. Don't be fooled. And if you have any credit questions, the credit coach, me, I'm here to help you guys. Talk to you guys soon. Have a good one.